In this video, we'll take a look at how event bubbling works for elements rendered inside a portal. We've established the fact that portals let you render React elements outside of the DOM hierarchy of the parent component. This is great because it lets you target DOM containers outside of the one where your React app mounts in. But what happens when an event such as a mouse click is intercepted in a portal? Let's find out. We're back in the same example as the last video with absolutely no changes. The question is, when someone clicks on the task count component that is inside a portal, what happens to the event? Traditionally, events bubble up the hierarchy to parent nodes where they can be intercepted. In this case, let's try to capture a click event that happens inside the portal at this level where my fragment operators sit. Now, since you cannot assign event listeners or other attributes on fragment operators, we'll switch to a good old div to encapsulate our list app and the portal, both of which are siblings here. Here, let's use onClick to invoke an alert dialog that displays a text message. Now, if I click inside the portal, you can see our event, strange as this may seem, bubble up all the way to our app, which is mounted in the root div. Of course, if I click anywhere inside our main application, we will get a click event. But what is interesting to note here that this behavior extends to child elements inside our portal. The reason this happens is because elements rendered inside portals are considered first-class children of the parent component's hierarchy. So even if a click originated in a DOM node that is outside of the root hierarchy, we will still get access to all elements inside our main application. This makes it really easy to visualize and work with events inside your React app. Elements inside a portal are not treated as alien citizens with limited access. In the example here, we intercepted a click event only because there was no onClick event listener on the elements rendered inside the portal. Overall, the portal feature in React is a great way to access and render elements outside of the main DOM hierarchy. And the fact that such elements are treated as first-class citizens makes it easy to work with them in much the same way as any other component in the application.